Formidable Forms now saves you even more time with testing mode. It allows you to quickly test functionality on complex forms without affecting the real one. You can disable required fields, so you don't have to fill every single box just to move forward. You can show all hidden fields to instantly see what's going on behind your conditional logic or calculations. You can preview as different user roles like admin, editor, or subscriber, without logging in and out over and over again. Form actions can be enabled or disabled, so you can safely test things like emails or redirects without triggering real actions. Need to debug a specific page in a long multi-step form? Use Quick Jump to skip straight there. You can also reset everything in one click, saving you even more time. And here's where it gets really good. AI Fill automatically generates test data for all your fields. Great if you want to quickly add a bunch of entries so you've got data to work with when creating your views. Whether you're building projects for clients or for yourself, testing mode helps you move faster. Try it now in Formidable Forms.